Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Olivia, an academic, and welcome to the Science and Me YouTube channel. As you know, my friend Dr. Lily and I are on a mission to introduce you to the fascinating world of popular science and to build a comprehensive popular science encyclopedia right here on YouTube. Today's video topic is especially intriguing. For a moment, I want you to imagine this. Close your eyes, and when you open them, you find yourself in the Hunger Games arena. Now, how could you possibly survive such a place with the help of science? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. My dear friend, we'd also like to take a moment to express our gratitude for your incredible support through subscriptions and comments. It truly means the world to us. Now, if you're ready, let's dive into today's video. Here's a detailed breakdown of the science behind the Hunger Games and strategies for surviving the arena. Today we're diving into the gripping and deadly world of the Hunger Games, a series where survival isn't just instinct but also a test of wits, resilience, and strategy. Let's break down the science behind the survival tactics needed to conquer the arena. Whether you're a fan of Katniss Everdeen or just curious about the scientific principles of endurance and strategy, this one's for you. 1. Understanding the environment, the arena as a survival biome. Each arena in the Hunger Games is a carefully constructed ecosystem. The Capitol's game makers design it to challenge tributes with unpredictable terrain, weather, and hazards. Key survival science, ecosystem knowledge. The arena can range from a lush forest to an arid desert. Survival depends on understanding the environment quickly. For example, forests. Look for edible plants and sources of water like streams. Katniss used her foraging skills to identify safe foods. Deserts. Prioritize finding water and shade during the day and insulate yourself at night to combat temperature drops. Adaptation. Tributes must adapt to harsh conditions. This mirrors real-life survival biology, where species evolve to thrive in extreme environments. 2. The science of hydration and nutrition. Dehydration and starvation are silent killers in the arena. Katniss emphasizes the importance of water, often noting it as the first priority. Key points. Water conservation. A human can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Look for morning dew, rain, or damp areas. Caloric intake. Katniss and Peeta ration their food wisely, consuming just enough to sustain energy. Real-world survivalists prioritize high-calorie foods like nuts or meat for their energy density. Avoiding poison. Katniss's knowledge of edible plants is crucial. For example, she avoids toxic berries like nightlock, a fictional poison, and teaches Peeta to distinguish safe foods from deadly ones. Weaponry and tools. Physics and engineering. Tributes with access to weapons often dominate. However, engineering simple tools can level the playing field. Archery. Katniss's bow is her signature weapon. The science of trajectory, draw strength, and arrow aerodynamics plays a huge role. A skilled archer calculates factors like wind resistance and target distance. Improvised tools, from traps to fire starters, survival depends on ingenuity. For example, creating a snare uses basic physics principles, tension and leverage. 4. Camouflage and stealth, biomimicry in action. Katniss frequently uses camouflage to evade enemies. This mirrors strategies in nature, where animals blend into their environments to avoid predators. Techniques. Using mud, leaves, and terrain features to obscure your appearance is a simple yet effective survival tactic. Mimicking nature. Study how animals like chameleons use their surroundings. Katniss does this instinctively, especially during the games. 5. Psychology of survival, mental resilience. Surviving in the arena isn't just physical, it's a psychological battle. The Capitol designs the games to break tributes mentally. Key insights. Stress responses. High adrenaline levels improve short-term physical performance, but can cloud judgment. Katniss's calm demeanor allows her to think clearly under pressure. Despite the every tribute for themselves rule, alliances can offer protection and emotional stability. Katniss's alliances with Rue and Peeta are rooted in mutual benefit and trust. Resilience. Maintaining hope and purpose is critical. Katniss's motivation to protect her family keeps her going despite overwhelming odds. 6. The Capitol's technology, biotechnology, and genetic engineering. The capital introduces advanced technology to manipulate the arena, such as tracker-jackers, genetically modified wasps, and mutations. Tracker-jackers, these deadly insects, are an example of bioengineering. In real life, genetic modifications in insects have been used for purposes like disease control. However, capital technology takes this to an extreme, turning nature into a weapon. Mutations. Combining traits of animals with human intelligence mirrors CRISPR and other gene editing technologies that can splice DNA across species. Fire, a double-edged sword. Fire provides warmth and cooking but can reveal your location to other tributes. Katniss often hesitates to use fire unless absolutely necessary. Chemical science, understanding how to create smokeless fires using dry wood and efficient airflow, can reduce the risk of detection. Controlled fire can also serve as a distraction or signal, a tactic Katniss uses effectively. 8. Lessons from Katniss. Practical tips. Prioritize water. Locate water as your first step. Stay low and observant. Camouflage and constant vigilance are crucial. Learn basic first aid. Treat wounds quickly to prevent infection. Keep moving. Staying in one spot for too long makes you a target. Adaptability. The ability to think on your feet like Katniss does can be a lifesaver. The survival science behind the Hunger Games is a masterclass in resourcefulness, psychology, and adaptation. Katniss Everdeen's journey is not just about her bravery, but also her ability to apply practical survival techniques and maintain her humanity in a brutal, unforgiving world. So whether you're navigating a wilderness hike or analyzing dystopian fiction, remember, science is your greatest ally, and may the odds be ever in your favor. My dear friend, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching today's episode. If you enjoy this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. Also, if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you again in future videos. I'm excited to bring you more insights from the fascinating world of science. Until we meet again, stay curious and take care of yourself. And remember, Olivia cares about you. Goodbye for now.